So won't talk
Boss,
now.
thank God so you're on the all right too.
I say that day.
I want to look at you, man.
He pay me enter my chest like to breathe call the hard. I call the fear. Like me when all the fear, I call the fear of later. What's happening? Yeah, I'll do that. They okay, that shit. I do okay.
But just abstain from any strenuous thing like that lifting for now.
No, I know they go gym for now, so I'll rest more.
Uh-huh.
Person a poor man, I dey go gym.
Ash, stop
Not
that
lift,
talk. Stop that
not
talk.
lift Nyash, oh. Not lift Nyash. Nyash na still wait.
No, no.
Person a poor man, I dey go gym.
That one go hard though.
Not lift Nyash, oh. Lift Nyash, make carry
Where poor
light,
man
light
wants
weight.
money go gym.
That's why I hear. Hmm.
Where poor man wants money go gym.
That be the issue, though. That be the issue.
Money when you pay for gym subscription, use that fund the if you know how much you go make.
It is well. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Yeah. So this is the very basics of what we trade. Like the idea now, what's it called? The first thing is to find a thick candle. That's your first criteria. That's your D1. I won't use the reef this evening. I don't know why, but I just feel like that's your D1. Then you mark the high and the low. I've showed us this in severally. Mark the high and the low. Mark the high and the low. Then you wait for the doji to form. This one are doji now don't form for up now. So you anticipate lower prices. Am I loud enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, you're right.
So you look for this thing on a higher time frame. What I mean is from your what's it called? Your monthly, weekly, and daily. 4 hour once in a while. The 4 hour not good, not a strong reach the daily. So once you've seen this stuff on your what's it called on your higher time frame, you switch to the corresponding time frame to look for your sales structure. The sales structure might be that market structure where they talk right from time. Bullish market, you just need to see network on start to. Bullish market, you need to see your impulsive push, a correction, and impulse. Bearish market, you need to see an impulsive push to the downside, correction, and impulse. Once you don't see this thing finish, always the origin where markets come from, extreme, extrade that zone for either of the candles that we trade. Then you anticipate what's it called? Buys. For this one, the same thing as well. Extrade where the market waka come from. You anticipate market to go back and engage. Do we get? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So make I see if I fit carry this zone now explain. If you check this, then I told us earlier too. Always find this in as at extreme of zones, not center. Like make it day extreme of zones. Those ones they hold price more. This one now happen for center. He hit TP shall be took time. But the one that happen for extreme, they move price much better. This one to see an inside zone, you fail. So let's see if we can get the lower stop for this one. So here now, this is your thick candle. You can mark the body. If you say use the weakening one, that one now will be your extreme TP. That's your extreme TP. I'll be the extreme zone. Then what's it called? You mark this low now as your candle low. This one close outside, shall be the same thing. It close outside, but the same thing. So from here now, from daily now, you switch to H1. One. TJ, any question? Mm.
Yes.
Okay, what's the question?
Okay. Just now you say mo always look for this thick body candle and a doji for
Mm.
extreme.
Yeah.
But if the candles never fall finish, you know if you know where be extreme now.
No, like just like if you
Or how
see
the
how they
okay.
come. If you see market when they bullish for a long while, unless you day monthly chart for us to say the last 3 months they bullish. Hmm? Or you day weekly chart for us to say the last 2 weeks, the last 2, 3 weeks they bullish. That's the extreme. If you just see doji from no possible reversal might happen. You get
Okay.
like if you check this one now, check this one now. See them now. All these ones now sales. So this one now market be buy. See am, market what's it called? Sold. All these one now sales. This one happened there. You see am abi? After plenty sales. You know, after plenty sales, it happened there. You hit TP here. Dropped again. This one happened. You know hit TP. This one not hit TP. But see this extreme now. This one happened. See the
Yeah.
price. Then if you see this one have plenty buys, how many days? How many buying that this one? Doji come from for you must sell. You get so that's it there too. Then see here to market bought for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 10 days. Doji form. It gas drop. So if you see extreme of zone, you should know.
Okay.
You see extreme of zone, you
Okay.
should know. Not anywhere. See here too. You have how many days? How many buying days? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 5, after 4 buying days, Doji form. Reversal should happen. This one I just lock on a counter trend. See, it happen well, sha, then I'll lock for me per se best. The same thing. Then this one now, see now you had how many selling markets normal. What was it called? You had how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 selling days, doji from buy years of it. The same thing here too. You understand, Abi?
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Move go H one now. If our theory is on entry give us. If you're not clear, we'll leave am. One day at a time. Can never teach in an AMD too. Oh God. Teaching I'm not teaching at too plenty. Like, I call the fear if I'll fit do them complete sef. Okay. If you check the lower time frame structure here now, market is sell. Okay, this one just give double bottom and run. Let me check lower. Okay. Lower time frame was not so perfect, but if you check M15 now, this sell when come from up, it gave the last correction here. Can we see? Last correction happened here. Then I will come back and check line chart if it clears. Okay, it's not so clear. Come on now. Why is it be like this? One at a time, sweet Jesus. Let's see this one now. Okay. But if we look at this thing, it all dey hang, we come up kind of fine. See your last correction, impulse correction, the last impulse here, yeah? This one came up, broke above here. Would you see Abi? Because give small, what's it called? Impulsive push, small correction. Impulse again, when not too, not break above, sha, but since now that thick candle is what the risk. Then if you check the extreme, see our candle there. Am I loud and clear?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Come say my network they worry. This one went up, broke above that correction because it come up again. Do not break above targets. This is what we trade. Check now. See our candle here. You mark it and extend. That's it. So sometimes if 1 hour not clear, You can go lower for your confirmation entry. You can go lower. See your TP zone already. So you pick your long position to put it there. The SL should be below. You don't look like 1 to 7. That's it. 1 to 8. So if you reach $10 per year, you're making 80 USD on a single trade. If you reach $5, we say that's around 45 $40, $45. Are we getting it? So this of work, it works everywhere. It works everywhere, not be just currencies or crypto. This one are synthetic market are there now, so there is. Make I find another one where from see show one like this thing. These are not go hard me to find, so
Boss, I get question.
okay. Ask, I hear you. Ask.
Okay, my question is this: you always say if you start from monthly time frame down to H4.
Yeah.
Now, if I have a bullish bias on weekly, for example, and my daily is showing me bearish bias, which one should I pay attention more to?
Which one, weekly and daily, which one is most recent?
Because I don't get that kind.
Huh?
The most recent one will be the daily.
Good. The something is weekly
Daily.
get more strength. Do you get?
Okay.
Weekly get more strength. But you know now, a week has 7 days. And what's it called? And the data of 1 week will take 5 trading days. That's Monday, Tuesday,
Longer time.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to form. So if you see that in probably Monday, Tuesday go hold, but getting to ending of the week, that thing will fail you. But it will make more sense if both tally. But if you not tally, if not early part of the week, I think you are safe to go with the lower time frame.
Yes.
So if you see that kind of one now, you
So I beg another question.
Okay. I'm listening.
This our 3-day candles pattern. Now you see this one you have highlighted now. Young Komota.
I dey go lower time frame. Let's talk.
If market moves from that point of entry when we never get, for example, our doji closed, then the third candle no enter POI, it just moves straight. They go straight to hit the target point. Is there a possibility that it might come back there and take that distance again? Or once it goes, it don't go be that.
Just take them as mystery to this safer. Because
do you understand my question?
I understand your question. Like you just run, I be not come back your anticipated entry point now.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello, can you hear me?
No,
hear you. Maybe network they bad.
We dey hear two of them now.
The guy network is bad. The guy's network is bad.
It seems my network is bad.
But can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Sure. Ask your question, I hear you. Go ahead.
In network they bad. In the room, network they bad. He know if he hear you.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, just talk. I go respond. Talk.
Hello.
Yeah, network they bad. So if you see this one now, this one I'm on now. I did my H1 time frame now. This was the impulse correction impulse. Market now don't close below what's it called? So that's your first impulsive push correction impulse. So on a norm now, we suppose wait for market to come back this extreme. Now waiting in the acts now, so Do we get? The market now just run now. Market now not come back. Don't take out the target already. Do you get? But if you see understand your structure mapping, see the same thing. After here, now you see get what's it called? See your last, what's it called? You see the most recent impulse, correction, impulse. See impulsive sell here, small correction, drop it. If you check here now, which candle do here? That's your doji. Check here, small engulfing candle. You mark them as your entry. Most of the time, it not go fail you. See am. Are we getting it? Huh? Are we following?
Yes, yes.
So
Yes.
sometimes if the extreme, if market not go back with extreme, if it give you your impulse correction impulse again, check where the market come from again. Just look for the candle. See here now, doji day here, engulfing day. If you trade from the doji, you increase your SL just to accommodate and the same thing you sell and leave the market. We know they trade derivative, so let's go to currencies. Like that GBPAU that I took on Friday. I know if you explain, I'm giving a shot. Let me check if I can explain. One day at a time. One day at a time. Sweet Jesus. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus. Okay, so it wasn't the same stuff. Now the same thing that they trade you that I call the 5 minutes to tweak am of late. See the something here. You saw your tick candle. TJ, listen now. Oh. This one now, you see what's it called? You saw this plenty sell. So this market just came back to it. And I even first I even bring this trade for group that they sell. I think so, yes. Market now respects this zone. And what do you have? You have your tick candle now. Now this one make an ask that question, so I know. This one, that was your high, and this was your anticipated target. But if you check now, I also was sign entry. If you switch to H1 now, that was it. If you check H1 now, market just did what? Impulsive push, correction, impulse. So we're supposed to trade from either this extreme now or this zone here, but it not happen till market hits TP. Are we following? So this kind of thing when happen like this now, that first trade already don't go. See, anything make market don't hit your target is either two things. One, if the zone is very strong, it go reverse, start to buy. If the zone dey weak, it go continue the sales. So once that first target is met, just charge the pair. That one is gone. Are we following? Ah,
Yes.
good.
Yes.
So the one I traded, I think that was on 4 hour. Yes, good. I missed this one. But as the same thing, impulse, correction, impulse. As market close above here, I know say okay, na bullish market bias now. When I woke up that morning, I saw this candle from this one because they move already small. Just the same thing. This zone now where market don reject before. I just mark this zone out. I mark this zone out. It don't reject already. See my tick candle already. Doji it up for my new market to most likely come for the high. And that was my TP. But when I see that thing that day, what was it called? This one because they move already. I just came to H1. I think so. I will come on. Yeah. I go show now. I go check lower time frame, sure. The see where I enter the market. That was it. Not only my zero spread account trigger and check. My normal standard account not trigger. But I just tap and run. And we see the same thing. Impulse. Then at this block I enter for H1. So and what can you see? The same thing now they trade. Impulsive push, correction, impulse. Would they say I'm happy? Then if you check the original, what do you have there? You have an engulfing candle there. See I'm there. This small candle was engulfed by this one. That was my entry. See I'm there. CTP. That was my TP. That was the target. Pick your what was it for the long position too. And that's it. See I'm HRR. I think I left at 100 pips or so. That's it. Now 100 I come out. Yes. Would they say?
Yeah.
So Forex not supposed to
Yeah,
have.
so
You understand? Just that
Yeah.
people know they want to show people what you need to look out for yourself. I not get strength to talk plenty. I just like see this thing. Oh, if you work fine, you lose money or you not lose. Oh, that's just it. Because you not go hold every time. That's the truth. Sometimes it go fail you. Sometimes it go work out well. But at least the one way go work out well, collect your small money, you rest. So that's just the same thing that they do over and over again. When I go feel say maybe okay, they get and clear at this. I see they lose. Like you get one pair that day when he injure me. Who is it? That GPN said they are good. This pair, let me check. I know. And later I will tell now why I lose money for this trade that day. I think that was on his daily. Good. Daily, yes. Uh, 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 just 10 minutes now, I mean. How I carry on? I just okay. I'm coming. I think I saw this in on H1, not H4. I'll be H2 sell. Fine. The same thing. I saw this impulsive sell. Very nice impulsive sell. Impulse correction impulse. I can mark this place now on Tuesday. God anticipate price coming here. But I don't wait. Oh, market not they come. Then I think on Wednesday now, I came very low. Problem like we say, normal me not the trade on Wednesdays. Oh, I don't trade on Wednesdays. Let's see what happened. I saw this impulsive sell correction impulse. And if you check that zone now, my three candle knife form for you when not supposed to fail. I marked originally as devil they doing thing. But I me do myself sure. I also use tight SL that day. The first time I use a tight SL to target these lows. I can't enter couple very tight SL. Now they say if you want to leave mumu, not go very tight SL that day. The call first take me out. The first one took me out. Before I drop confirmation on the book that if something should, what's it called? That if it should break below, come back to this block, will sell a bit. Market cost it come here. Do like say one sell before it take me out. If you check this thing, yeah, see your price reaction. I didn't take notes. All these candles, now these candles they move markets. See them. If I had taken note of this candle, this sell I cannot do am. Are we getting? We check it out too. You had an impulsive sell correction impulse when we take out this high. So I was to buy from here, but my mind not go like human whatever now. So that was it. So waiting, I got dey wait for all through Tuesday when I not feel dey patient enough or so. It happened just one day. Just one day. For your wait, collect my money rest though. Then I see now. So, see, that's just you can't be what's it called? You can't be 100 every day. Some days you go day okay, sometimes you won't be so nice. Or that's just it. So that's it.
Okay, give me boss. I get question I want to ask.
Okay.
Okay, it's about this there's this New Zealand card like he dropped on the chat. I think on Thursday or Wednesday.
Okay.
Let me
NZD
see. I
card.
noticed something like
Okay.
yeah.
NZD card. Now see that 3 day stuff. NZD card. Uh. Okay. I see. Am.
Yeah, okay. Um maybe switch to daily time frame. The guys something we see around like ask.
Ma clear am abi? Oh, so what are the heights? Precious.
No, like daily time frame, daily
Now
time
things
frame.
plenty now.
Sorry.
Let me clear it so you see. Oh, okay. See daily. What's your question?
Okay, so on the daily time frame now, okay, like when the first bullish candle formed this week, like the first bullish candle that swept that the last bearish candle. So I noticed that yeah, I can't use your CRT like rule like then after the first two candle formed, then I can't use the third one. But I noticed say like most of these candles they no go straight to that CRT high immediately. You get so they come form like
The
small bullish candles inside before you actually go down. I think it's on Thursday that he went straight to the high. So
see
what I
the
observed was like I don't know Shabo, I don't know. Okay,
see
I
the
don't know Shabo.
see the something. Now why
Yeah,
I
you know
not dey
when
like. Now why I not dey like use replay tool? Do you get? Because replay tool go give you that
yeah
idea of within the next 5 minutes you don't hit TP. Do you understand?
now
Like
yeah
you don't know how the market will move. You wanna just if market move like this, you anticipate okay, oh, see how it's supposed to move again. So when you go hit TP in all these settings, some days you feel within 5 minutes you don't make better money. Sometimes that pair go waka, small, take hours. Like if you check that GBP AUD I
now
showed us now, check that GBP AUD now. Now just it not reach 15 minutes, so I just small move, 100 pips, and that was it. See the move, it not take time. See, I'm just tap. You see, I'm happy. So it's not
yeah
every time you'll get this thing. But that day, I call this thing on the group. That was on Tuesday. As I see this tick sell, Joji there, so I know say this one go to get price, not mature. But if you check now, market all they sell for long, so I anticipated a reversal. So once I saw this tick candle, Joji formed below. Now just simple thing, switch to H1. Find waiting, your impulsive push, correction, impulse. Check here now. This candle makes sense for me. Oh, that was it. I just mark and
yeah
extend my limits. That's it.
yeah. I took like 3 trades that won before price
Mm-hmm.
swept that high, then came down. But nobody actually dropped the trade. So which I can't observe because me, I just joined. It never to TVC. I think this is my first time seven on the Zoom chat.
No
So I
worries.
took like 3 trades and they hit before
For
price
me,
went to that
I'll be very patient
um
person.
yeah
I try to be patient. I
before
don't
price
trade
went
on
to that
Mondays. Mondays, Wednesdays, I hardly
so before
execute.
price went to that,
Boss, I bet you going to do class
so
on
before price went to
patience too.
Huh?
You're going to do class on patience too. Now, I bet we go beg you
No,
for that
they're
one.
not they teach that one. Now you go teach yourself. Now you go teach yourself. You know how much I lost before
boss
I
boy
get back normal like this. You know say no easy.
okay boss boy you need to take continuation trade abi like if price open and that candle daily candle inside the distance before it hits your target they take that one, abi, or you go just hold until you reach that your high or your low.
Like, come again.
Like on the daily time frame now, we price after price sweep and close inside now. Like those 3 consecutive candles we form inside now. They take those ones, abi.
Okay, see this
You
one.
need to take
If I don't mark setup like this, till price gets to my entry, I know they do anything.
Okay,
I don't did that. I
take
don't take
small.
time, get that discipline. I know they do. I know they do much. I'll wait till price gets there. I even been find re-entry for this block, but it never happened yet. And the way I find re-entry for this block. Because if you check now, it don't happen already. Now impulsive sell, correction, impulse. And you're on a very nice doji candle when they impulsive. So price should come back. Also, okay, price might man not say should. So price should come back here and push. Then I think GBP will host next session. I beg, we'll just learn one or two today. GBP USD. I mark am that day. Something happened. I forgot to check. The same thing. See this thing at the show now. So the same thing. Impulsive sell, correction, impulse. See your what's it called? I need na doji. I'll call am sha. But that was it. To check higher time frame is clear. H1, then you just tap. I forgot to check a run. They make a show na something. I never shown na AMD before Shabet. You get to they call accumulation phase. Then you anticipate manipulation. Then after the manipulation, you anticipate distribution. So if markets accumulate like a range for a while, you mark the highs and the lows of the range. Then you wait for the first breakout, it's always false. After that one, you always trade the reverse direction. Do we get this thing played out on Tuesday here? You check and all these ones, market be the range. See, I'm dance or yeah, all true. Dance or yeah. After I dance, things what happened? It broke to the downside. Abi? That was not the manipulation leg. Manipulation leg now called give you what's it called? Your doji candle. Once that one form finish, you can just place your limits and that's it. See, now just tap and run. You don't know they take time. See, I'm tap once, give how many pips to the push to the upside.